Looking for new construction on 5 acres? Here it is. You will truly enjoy your morning coffee while watching wildlife from your covered rear patio or front porch. This quality-built 4-bedroom home features an open floor plan and separate study. The wood-look tile throughout the main living and high-traffic areas adds the warmth of wood without the drawbacks wood floors present. The kitchen features a large center island with breakfast bar, custom-built cabinetry, granite countertops and an extra-large walk-in pantry /cabinets and shelving. Relax in your primary suite with its own patio, soak in the freestanding tub or enjoy the convenience of the large primary closet being connected to the laundry room. This home is loaded with over 80 square feet of dedicated storage space, not including the oversized garage and its storage area. Located in the Robin Hill/Moore High School